Welcome to how to post using the JobCrypt job board. So in this tutorial, we're going to walk you through quickly how you can make a post on the JobCrypt job board on testnet. The posting on mainnet will be slightly different in that you won't have any faucet access. So to start the posting process, you first need to click to connect your MetaMask. Once you've connected your MetaMask, you'll be given two faucet options. The faucet options are for the different job products, which are over here, which you will need to purchase. So you can choose either USDC or you can choose wrapped ETH as your faucet token. At this point, you don't need to stake, so you don't need to worry about any of the staking. Staking is only required for application. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the USDC faucet. That's going to throw up a MetaMask dialog. All right, and then we're just going to click confirm. We're then going to wait a little while the blockchain does its thing and begins the process and basically credits our wallet with the necessary funds from the USDC faucet. The USDC faucet will credit your wallet with roughly $15,000. And then we are going to take the token address here for the token contract, and we're then going to import it into our MetaMask here. As we import that, and there you go. We have 15,000 USDC here on testnet. The important thing to note here is that this process is only done once, so the next time you come in, you will be presented with a faucet because you have the funds already. The process with the wrapped ETH faucet is similar. So now we will continue in the posting process. So the first thing you have to do is you have to select a product. So we have 3 products in USDC currency. So one is a standard 1-week job posting, the other one is a standard 2-week job posting, and the third one is a 2-week job posting that is featured. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the featured job posting. Okay. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create a draft job posting. You can create as many draft job postings as you like. Just be aware that it does cost gas for you to create these postings. And these postings are there permanently. So the addresses that you're given for the postings will exist permanently on the blockchain. So we just wait a little while the blockchain goes away to create our draft posting. There you go. So there's our draft posting, and as you can see, we're shown here the draft posting address. So we'll be able to find our posting at that particular address, or at least our posting contract at that particular address. So now we have to explicitly tell JobCrypt that we're going to edit this draft posting. And so what JobCrypt will now do is that it will have assigned this editing form to the contents of this editing form to this particular address. So it will save that to this particular address. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in the job title. And in this case, we're creating a job post for a front-end developer. The location is going to be remote, and we're not going to be providing any location support, and we're just going to put the work location as remote. The work location is optional. The company we're going to be using is JobCrypt, and we're going to put in our company link, and then we're going to put in our company summary. Then we're going to put in a comma-separated values list of all the skills that we're going to require for this particular posting. Yeah. Let's mode check. And then we're going to put in some additional search categories which this posting may fall under. And then we're going to put in the search terms in addition to those in our job description that will be available for searching based on our job description. The important thing to note about these fields is that they are all comma separated values lists, so that is what you must use, otherwise you might get errors and it might not work so well for you. The work type, this is going to be a full-time role, and the payment type is going to be in cryptocurrency. And so now we're going to add the job description. So first we're going to delete these contents here, and then we're going to paste in our job description, and then we're going to put in the email to contact. And then we're going to save our job. It's important to note that when you're saving your job is actually being saved to the blockchain. So it is advised that you do this before you proceed to make sure that all of your contents are saved. And there you go. So now our job is saved to the blockchain. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pay for our job posting. So the first thing we have to do is we have to approve the payment currency, which is USDC. So we have to allow JobCrypt to spend some of our USDC in order to buy the job listing. And so we just confirm that. And then we get the approved that notifies us that that transaction is complete. And once it's complete, we can now buy our listing. And there we go. And so while that's happening, we're basically going to wait. And there you go, paid. So now that transaction is confirmed. So this posting is paid. And what you must note is that if you try and buy your listing again, so if you went away and you came back to edit your listing, you might find that the buy listing might fail. If the buy listing does fail, it usually means that you've already bought your listing. And so therefore you can proceed to the final step, which is now we're going to post our listing. Okay, and so the posting process has two transactions. One is to save the final edits to the blockchain, and then the second one is to confirm the actual post. So you have to confirm both transactions. There we go. And so now our job is now posted. So if we go to JobCrypt, to the main page, and then we connect our MetaMask. There we have it, our front-end developer job. If you want to click more, that'll take you to the details page, which has already been explained, and you can view the description there. And that is how you post using JobCrypt.